In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe a video using Loom. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Loom. If you don't have it already, you can easily access it through your web browser or the Loom application if you have it downloaded. Once you're on the platform, go ahead and sign in with your account credentials. It's a pretty straightforward process. Just enter your email and password, and you'll be all set. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to head over to your library. This is where all your videos are stored. You'll see a list of your recordings, so take a moment to browse through them until you find the video that you want to transcribe. Got it? Great! Once you've selected the video you're interested in, you'll need to wait a moment for it to finish processing if it was recently uploaded. Processing times can vary depending on the length of the video, but it shouldn't take too long. Just hang tight, and soon enough, you'll be able to access your video and all its wonderful features. After the video is processed, you'll notice some options on the right side of your screen. Here, you should see the option labeled Transcript. Click on that. Loom will then work its magic and start generating a transcript based on the speech present in your video. This automation feature is one of the things that makes Loom so user-friendly and efficient for users like you. As you watch the transcript being created, you'll see it appear next to your video. You'll also notice that it comes with timestamps, which show when each part of the dialogue occurs in the video. This feature is incredibly helpful, especially if you're looking for a specific moment or quote within your video. Speaking of looking for specific words, if there are particular terms or phrases you want to find quickly, Loom has made that super easy for you too. Just click on the search icon, which you will find in the transcript area. There you can type in the specific word or phrase you're trying to locate, and Loom will highlight its location in the transcript. This can save you a lot of time compared to scrolling through the entire document manually. Now, if you need to share this transcript or save it for your records, you'll be pleased to know that copying the entire transcript is just a click away. Above the transcript, there's a Copy button. Simply click on that, and the entire transcript will be copied to your clipboard. You can then paste it wherever you need, be it in a document, an email, or even a note-taking app. And there you have it. That's how you transcribe a video using Loom, from start to finish. Isn't that easy? You can use this feature for various purposes, whether for creating subtitles, making notes for yourself, or sharing the content with others who may benefit from reading along while listening. Before I wrap up, remember that leveraging the transcription feature not only makes your content more accessible, but can also enhance viewer engagement. People love having the option to read along, especially in educational or business contexts. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more insightful content. I hope to see you in the next video, where we'll explore even more fantastic features to help you make the most out of Loom. Happy transcribing!